What's up everybody? The Owan's here. We went to Isla Mujeres for 5 days, and as we were rolling around, we saw taco places, taco stands on the street. Tacos. And as we were taking videos of us just enjoying these delicious tacos, we're like, why don't we just make a taco battle video? So we started driving around the island and finding different taco places to eat. What we're gonna do is for any of the places that had social media presence, Yelp, Instagram, whatever, we're gonna put it down in the description below so that you can go check them out. And I'm gonna try and make a map to show where we were. I don't know exactly where we were on the island every single time, but I'll try to show you close proximity in case you are driving around and you wanna make a stop. Good.
Tacos!
So the first place we went to was Lola Valentina. The vibe's awesome. They have a lot of like music going around on the street, so if that's like what you're looking for. One of the cool things that they had is on the menu, they actually marked things that were gluten-free, vegan, which makes it easier for me who has like a bajillion food allergies, and so I could identify things without having to like ask questions and use Google Translate to ask if it exists in the food.
All the bars have like swings at them, so you can swing and drink.
I ended up getting just some steak tacos. I kept it pretty simple.
I loved the tacos we got here. I got ones with fried fish and a mango salsa. I love anytime you get some sweet fruit on something savory. So good. Loved the tacos there.
That is a good margarita, y'all. Oh yeah, baby, let's go. Lola Valentina, A. I give them an A. They got the bonus point for the drinks. The tacos were good, they were good, but you'll see when we get to the other places in this video why. Okay, so we are going to be sharing more videos of the week on our page, so make sure you follow, make sure you subscribe if you are enjoying. That helps us out. We are just starting out this channel and we want to keep sharing and showing you all these experiences. Hopefully you can make the trip your own.
We were on Playa Norte having some drinks, some pina coladas. It was my birthday that day, and we were feeling good. And you know what? Sometimes when you're feeling good, you need some tacos to kind of soak everything up.
I think that was where the taco battle idea came from, was then, because obviously we were feeling pretty spicy. We were feeling real good. So we're walking back and this little kid just runs up to us as we're walking. He's like, "Hey, you want some tacos?" And I was like, "I like your salesmanship, young man." Why, yes, I do want some tacos. And so we just walk up to this random place. I think it was called Alex Tacos on the street, and like, it was delicious. I think it was like $2 a taco, something like that. $1.50 or $2 per taco, but it was absolutely delicious. They like chopped it up right in front of you, made it, and yeah, so check this one out. I love it. What do you call your shop so we can tell people to come here?
It has my name. It's Tacos Alex.
Tacos Alex, let's go. You ready for these tacos? Let's go.
Here you go, buddy.
Gracias.
Okay, this is medium, not hot and spicy, man.
Okay.
Say hi, say hi. Caliente.
Is it good?
Hot.
That's Alex Tacos right there. Good.
Stop.
Pure taco rating, I give this place an A+. Absolutely delicious. There aren't other things. You can't get drinks, you can't get snacks, there's no ceviche, but like just pure tacos, A+. On my birthday, we were driving down to Punta Sur. I love getting the golf cart when we go to Isla Mujeres. You can check out the video if you're going for a day. We'll have that in the description, or maybe I'll put it up there. But for my birthday, because I love doing that, we rented a golf cart and we're like, let's drive around. So we're driving and we see this sign that just says, best tacos on the island. Like it's just in this random neighborhood. And I look at her and I go, U-turn, let's go.
If they say it's the best,
We have to.
you gotta go, right?
know, if the taco show, you gotta go. So we stopped by. This place doesn't even have a name yet. Didn't have anything on Yelp. Like you can't look them up, but I will. Let me check his Instagram and make sure that he like posts stuff about the tacos first.
They just
before
opened
we
a
get-
week ago.
Yeah, I let him know. I said, hey, these are the allergies I have. They didn't have any corn tortillas, so he was like, okay, hold on, give me a second. He like runs into the corner store that's right next to it and comes out with, was it tortas?
I think so.
Yeah, and he's like, we're gonna make something work for you, my friend. And so then he's like explaining to everybody who's cooking, like, hey, you can't have this, you can't have this. And like, we just chopped it up and it was just super dope. He told us like the whole story. I'm gonna put it towards the end of this, but yeah, told us the whole story of like how he opened the place and why.
Steak.
Gracias. Thank you so much.
All right, let's do this. So we're getting ready to try the best tacos on the island. Where?
Yeah.
So how do if people want to find you?
Well, if we're located in between King High and Garrafon National Park, this is the name of this place is Rancho Capricho. We don't have a name yet because we just started, but if you look for Rancho Capricho, you're gonna find it. Okay?
The sign worked. The sign worked. It said the best tacos on the island. So I'll show a map of where we stopped, and if you want to come check it out, we'll let you know.
Be careful with that one.
I know, it's spicy. All right, I already had one bite. I got excited, but they hooked me up. Right, I told them about my allergies. Right, they worked around it, and I had a bite, and it's delicious. So I'm gonna pretend like this is my first bite again, just so y'all can see. That was legit my face after the first bite. So come check them out. No contest. Come check them out.
Eddie's Tacos, I'll give it an A+ because he worked really hard to find something that I could actually eat. So, all right, so this last place that we went to, now at this point we were totally on like the taco battle train. We had tried to find this place a couple days prior and it wasn't on its original location on the map, but on Yelp it's rated as like the top taco place on Isla Mujeres. And so we were like, we gotta find this place and see, does it actually hold up? Back to Hidalgo Street we go.
Good old 19. All right, so here we go. Was it yesterday? We had some really good tacos.
Taco party. It's a taco
So
party.
we're on our way. We've had some tacos earlier today.
You
And now,
can't have too many tacos.
exactly. So now we're about to go on a quest for some more tacos and see what we can find. All right, so the first place that we wanted to go to wasn't there, and the only other place that we saw on the street was a place we'd already been to. So we figured we probably shouldn't just toss in the same place twice, because that wouldn't be fair, right? You know what I'm saying? So we're walking down to another place that we found that we haven't gone to yet, and we'll see how it is.
Okay, so this place was super dope. It had really good ceviche, probably like the best ceviche I've ever had. But it didn't have like mango in it. Mm-hmm. We'll talk about it. Yeah, we'll talk. I think we talk about it in the video.
See.
So.
Taco pie.
Taco party. Let's see it. All right, what's your? It's good. Okay. So they make it on their TripAdvisor #1 ranking. They're holding the spot. All right, bet.
It's really good.
So Ashley has just dug in. This is definitely the best. This is the second time we've been to this island, and this is the best ceviche that we've had. Not only do they have bomb tacos, they got bomb bussin' ceviche. So make sure you come try it. Absolutely delicious. The mango just adds a little bit of like, it's not too limey, and then the mango gives a really nice counteraction to you know, what would normally be a little bit sour in ceviche. So that they have a surprise for us. Let's see what it is. We have no idea what the surprise is, but give me something. Yeah, nice. And it was okay. That's even nicer. So he brought us out this. Forgot it was the birthday, and still just brought it out for us. I think she liked it.
Don't judge me. Okay, I love sweets.
This is like you had to describe it for me though, and so it was
And then, so I had to taste more bites so I could continue.
I give this place an A+ because the tacos were delicious. They had great drinks. They also had the bomb ceviche. It was so good.
It was so good. It was one of the best things we ate on the trip.
It was so good. So there you go. You have 3 A+ taco places on the island that you can check out.
And an A.
And an A.
Forget the A.
Basically, you can't go wrong. If you are on Isla Mujeres, you cannot go wrong with the tacos so far. We're gonna do a part 2 next time we go. So make sure you subscribe to the page. Check out, I think we have a room review of staying at the Mia Reef. We have a day trip if you wanna go there. We might have another video of like beach hopping, and then we're gonna do like a full review of how we spent 5 days there. So, as always, hopefully this helps you make the trip your own, and peace.
Bye.